This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove silica from your hand. First, immediately wash your hands with plenty of soap and warm water. Lather up for at least 20 seconds, ensuring all exposed skin is covered. Next, use a soft brush or a clean cloth to gently scrub the areas where silica dust might be present. This helps dislodge any loose particles. Finally, rinse your hands thoroughly under running water to wash away all the soap and any remaining silica. After the initial wash, it's crucial to inspect your hands carefully. Find a well-lit area and look for any small, shiny particles that might still be embedded in your skin. If you spot any larger fragments, use a pair of clean, fine-tipped tweezers to gently pull them out. Remember to avoid rubbing or scratching the affected area, as this can inadvertently push the silica deeper into your skin, making removal much harder. Once you've removed the visible silica, it's important to care for your skin. Apply a good quality moisturizing lotion to the affected area. This helps to soothe any irritation and prevent dryness, which can occur after scrubbing. Continue to monitor your hands closely over the next few days for any signs of redness, swelling, or persistent discomfort. Keeping the skin clean and hydrated will aid in its recovery. While most surface silica can be removed at home, there are times when professional help is needed. If you find that particles remain deeply embedded, or if you experience significant pain, persistent irritation, or signs of infection like pus or increased redness, it's time to consult a doctor. They can safely remove stubborn particles and provide appropriate medical treatment, ensuring your hands heal properly and without complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.